What are some proven winning strategies for lymphedema cases? Hi, I'm Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security disability attorney, and my experience has been that lymphedema cases are usually fairly strong cases. And if you don't know what it is, it's the swelling of the lymph nodes, retention of fluid, oftentimes in the lower extremity. Typically it's bilateral, both legs. Doesn't always have to be, but these are typically pretty good cases because any type of swelling in the lower extremities puts you at risk for blood clots, other circulatory system issues, DVT, which can be deadly, and basically it means that you need to keep your legs elevated. Sitting for more than 10-15 minutes can be very, very painful. It can also cause a great deal of stiffness. It can cause, again, the development of blood clots. You need typically to move around. Standing and walking is also very limited. You need to stand and walk around to get the circulation back, but after 10 or 15 minutes, the blood going down, again, causes more swelling. So then you have to sit. And so typically you might be able to sit for an hour or two, but then you have to have your legs extended and spend a lot of the day in a recliner or in bed where your legs are over heart level. So again, these can be very good cases. There's not really any good medications that can help very much with this. It's just, again, a condition that requires you to keep your legs extended for the most time. Oftentimes your lower extremity will be very sensitive to the touch. You may need help getting dressed and bathing. Again, it can be very, very hard to perform any sort of reliable activity 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. And like I said, even if you can do 2 or 3 hours of work or get through a couple hours in a day or even a couple of days in a week, trying to get through 5 days a week ongoing can be very, very difficult, and no job is going to let you have your legs extended when you are trying to work. So lymphedema, any type of swelling cases, I've had very good success with those. Those are typically good cases. You will need evidence from your doctor that the swelling is not able to be controlled with any kind of medications, that the doctor does require you or ask you to keep your legs extended and raised, that you do have very sensitive skin. You need to avoid any sort of abrasions, cuts, bruises, things like that, because that can lead to infection. And like I said, if you have a problem with your circulatory system in your lower extremity, that's usually a recipe for a pretty good case. So if you have those type of cases, I think that will be something. If it prevents you from working, I think your chances of winning Social Security disability benefits are actually quite good. So hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, like it on Facebook, subscribe to our channel on YouTube as well as on Facebook, and of course ask me any questions in the comment sections for YouTube or Facebook. Happy to try to respond to those things. If you have not already done so, go to my website at ssdanswers.com and download your copy of your free Secrets to Winning Disability Survival Kit. A lot of good information there. I'm updating it constantly, so I'm adding new things to it. And like I said, if you have any questions for me specifically, please reach out to me by email or through the comments section, or fill out a case inquiry form at ssdanswers.com. I'll be happy to get right back to you. Again, I'm Jonathan Ginsberg, and I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include: how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. The 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case. And a topic that every disability claimant wants to know: how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the Survival Kit essential reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.